What's going on, guys? Chad here at MarineMax Jupiter. Today we're doing a walkthrough video on this 240 Dorado by Scout. Meet me on the boat. Now that we're on the Scout 240 Dorado, it's equipped with a Mercury 300 horsepower V8 outboard. You have this nice sea deck all the way across the back here. Almost looks like wood. Very nice underneath your feet, soft. Some amenities the boat has. Plenty of seating back here. That seat is bolstered so you can push it forward. You're gonna have 3 bench seats in the back. Also, you got your bait well right here, some fishing pole holders across the back, as well as cup holders. You got your fishing features, you got your comfort and pleasure features. You see we have the gray interior here. Looks really good, matches the hull of the boat. Now you have a lot more deck space here, where you have them out as they were before if you're trying to do a little bit more entertaining. But if I were fishing, I would have it laid out like this. You got your 4 rod holders in the back there. Also on the starboard side here underneath the gunnel, you tuck fishing poles away in here, or like a deck brush or a dock line grabber. Now this seat has a little cushion here that lifts up, and then you actually have more storage underneath the seat. 2 more cup holders on the port. Seems like just about wherever there's a seat, there's going to be at least 1 cup holder. Lift up, and you can push it forward. Now you can be facing aft as well. On the starboard side, you have almost like a mini summer kitchen. You got your sink, you got your cutting board, little storage area there with a drain in it. You also have your Yeti cooler here, which you can pull out aft. Nice light gray, whitish countertop here. Now I'm gonna lift this up, move it aft again. You can actually spin this chair, and tucked away, you have a little pull-out table. So now you can have someone sitting here, someone sitting in the captain's chair. 2 people can be facing each other and use this as a table. Some index storage. This has a gasket on it to help keep water out as well. Can never have too much storage on a boat. Now you have your captain's chair, which is bolstered. The captain's chair is also bolstered as well. So whether you want to be sitting higher above the height of the windshield, get a little bit more of a breeze, or if you want to be protected from the wind, have a little bit more leg space, drop the bolster down, you can sit in the captain's chair. Now at the helm here, you have your Mercury throttle, your active trim, ignition, cup holders. We got some more controls here, Mercury vessel view. You have your fusion radio, 2 cup holders, Garmin electronics, as well as a lockable storage compartment. Maybe you want to put your wallet or phone in there. You go up to the dock or restaurant, you can lock that up. Also have your VHF radio. Now forward of the co-pilot's chair, you have a smaller storage compartment here. You put your phones here. You have a port here for your phone charger, 2 more cup holders. Also want to point out, Florida's hot. We have plenty of shade here with this hard top. Also no bimini, this is a hard top. Really nice curved glass, really like that look for the front windshield. On the port, you have the head. We have the snap-in flooring in there. But you'll still get an idea of what the head compartment looks like. Plenty of space for a 24-footer. On the port, you can slide this door forward. That'll help block off the wind. If you wanted, you can close this glass windshield with that. That'll help block the wind that goes into the cabin. Also, when you move this forward, it's going to reveal a second door, which is also lockable, and it's a larger storage compartment. You also have your battery switches there. You can hit that boat on button. That's going to turn on all the batteries for the boat. Moving forward to everyone's favorite area of the boat, the bow. The best view is, as I mentioned before, wherever there's seats, there's cup holders. You actually have a cup holder on both sides integrated into the gunnel back here. 2 more forward, and these 2 forward are actually cup holder rod holders, which is really nice. That just feeds right into the pleasure boating and the fishing side of these Scouts. Whether you want to put a drink in there or you want to put a fishing pole in there, that's going to work out for you. Also have a grab railing up here, and you're sitting, something to hold on to. Also want to point out how deep this bow area is. I'm about 6 foot myself, and I feel very secure in here. And on both sides, you also have these armrests that drops down, as well as more storage underneath all these seats. 2 JL audio speakers, so even when you're up on the bow, you can still be enjoying the music. And lastly, you have your anchor locker here. And this has little slits where you can lock the anchor in place. And that's going to conclude the walkthrough video on this 240 Dorado. If you want to see this boat, come to MarineMax Jupiter or call us today and ask for Chad.